because it's a lot of factors that play into ranking. And this is just the first beginning step. This is just learning how to use your keyword research and doing your keyword research. That's just the beginning step. It's different steps and different levels to it. When you want to start ranking, it's a lot of different factors that take place. We only gonna have time to cover the keyword research. Let's go ahead and get that started. We're gonna learn how to do keyword research and how to use our Vidiq. If you don't already have Vidiq, the link is already in the description. You can go ahead and download your Vidiq through my link. That'll be my link. You know, I'll get the I won't get affiliate commissions if you just on the free plan, but if you ever upgrade, I will get the affiliate commissions if you ever upgrade. But you don't have to upgrade. All you have to do is get on the free plan. You don't have to ever upgrade. You can just stay on the free plan. I just need you to be able to follow along so you can understand how the tool actually is working. Now we're going to go through and learn how to use our keyword tool. Now, this is keyword research. When you really starting to take your channel seriously, you wanting to start ranking and outranking your competition, these are the foundational things that you got to do in every video. So the first thing you need to do, I'm going to share my screen so you can see my screen. So when you first get ready to start doing your research, keyword research tool, let me share my screen real quick. Now I'm just going to assume y'all can see this. Can y'all see this? I'm going to go right up here and type in my keyword section. See where it says keyword? I'm going to type in motivation. And then I'm going to press the enter button. On my laptop or on my phone, you have an enter button. You press your enter button. So now you look over here, you'll see the overview for motivation. The overall score is a medium. That means look at your search volume, 5,348,000. That's a very high search volume. But guess what? The competition is very high. So like you see how it says very high in the green, and it says, in the green it says very high, and in the red it says very high. Search volume is very high, but your competition is very high. And as a beginner, not even as a beginner, but even as a advanced, you don't want to get into a pool with very, very high competition because it's harder to outrank when it's very high like that. So what you want to do is you want to look over here to the right. You see how, it says 291 keywords on my side. Now you want to open this up, click on it and open it up. And now it gives you other related keywords that you can search through. Motivational video, motivational speech. Now what you want to do, okay, you have your related score, your search volume, your competition, and your overall. You want to take your overall and click this button so you can sort them out by the overall score. You want to sort it out by the overall. Now, you see how these turned up in the green? So it says Virginia Tech. That ain't got nothing to do with the pain of discipline. Grind for greatness. Now you're finding you some keywords that you can actually use for your videos. Okay, let's say grind for greatness. 1,423 people a month searching for this. Very low competition, and it's a 68 overall score. Anything in the green means go. When you start getting into the yellow, you're more intermediate when you're doing it. You want to stick for green. The greener, the darker the green, the better. So you want to stick for anything in the green if you're trying to rank. So now it's showing you grind for greatness. Now it don't have 5 million searches, but guess what? 1,400 searches a month. You keep doing a bunch of these type of videos and you keep getting in front of your competition on these, that's going to add up to 100,000 views a month if you do enough videos. So y'all with me? Are y'all with me? Okay, now watch this. Grind for greatness, 1,423 and a 68. The pain of discipline. You see, you research before you record. You don't record and then try to figure out what you're going to title your video. research before you record. So you doing right now, you in your research phases. Dare to be great. Now, okay, shoot, today I'm gonna talk about dare to be great. And my video is gonna be titled Dare to be Great. And so now I got the chance to get in front of 2,650 people a month that's typing this in YouTube. They typing it in. So now it's a big difference than just throwing a video up and naming it what you want to name it. Now you're putting the video up with intention and with purpose and knowing that certain people are searching for this. It don't have to be 1 million people a month searching for it. All it got to be is over 1,000 people a month searching for it. And you can start combining those videos. And out of every 10 videos you put up, a couple of them are going to rank if you're doing everything. It's more steps involved, but this is just the basic foundational principle of what you need to do first. So once you start seeing this, now you start to get into pain is temporary, quitting forever. But see, you starting to get into the orange, the low, and the medium. You don't want to get into that as a newbie or as somebody who haven't got a lot of videos, ranked or anything, and the channel is kind of new. You don't want to get into yellow and oranges right now. You want to stick with the greens. So now I'm going to just have to look for some new keywords. Oh yeah, click the like button. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to click the like button. Click the like button, click the like button, click the like button. Okay, I'm giving out all this good information. I'm showing you how to rank. Okay, so let's go with another video. Cause see, some of y'all got it. Y'all are real close, but your words are off. You don't know exactly how to title the videos. Let's look up. We're gonna go to keywords, right across your top of your screen. Every time you come in here, you click on keywords. There your keywords is, and then you type in your keyword right here. So let's say shop with me. Let's see what's happening. This is how you gonna know. Okay. So you in the shop with me, you're gonna look right here first. Search volume. The search volume is 36,000. The competition is medium. See, it depends on where you are. If you new, you don't want to go for medium right now. So now what you want to do is your search volume right over here and your overall right here. Well, first I'm gonna view all 356 keywords is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna view all. Now, when you on the free plan, the only difference is I think you don't get as many search volume. I don't think you get as many options. I don't know how many you get on the free plan, but you get enough to get you started. Sorted by overall, so you can have your green ones pop up at the top. If it turns around and it shows like this, you got just keep on clicking the button until it's sort to where it goes from high all the way to low. Now, Target, Stony Clover, I don't know what that is. Couponing for a cause. Guess what? You may do a video about that. Thrive Market Hall. I don't know what that is. Burlington Hall. Okay, you go to Burlington and you come back with some stuff. Burlington Hall, 5,386 people. Very low. You ain't even got to go for low. You go for very low. You about almost certain to be in front of these people if it's some more stuff that you got to do to your video and everything. But this is how you do your research first before you record. Walmart Hall, 16,000 people. Shop with me at Burlington. You got to title it the same way that they have it titled here because this is the way people are searching for it. This is a Vidiq. This is your search keyword tool. So this is what people are actually searching for when they on YouTube. So you have to put shop with me at Burlington, and then you have to really fix it up, fix it up the right way, but make sure you use these words in your title. Very low, 2,300 people. Now, how easy would it be to get traffic and get more subscribers and get more views if you just had this going? If you just use this every time before you getting ready to do a video. Now I know what Home Goods shop with me 2022. Now I know, let me run in Home Goods, get some stuff and do. I know this now because people are searching for it. I'm not just going in the blind and guessing. I know Home Goods, people are searching for that. So let me run up in Home Goods. But this is Vidiq. The link is pinned up in the description. It's pinned in there. So when you click on it, it'll code you to me. And all you gotta do is click on it and download your free copy. You don't have to upgrade or nothing. You could stay on the free trial, but then it's not a time frame on your free trial. You can just do it whenever you upgrade. Now, the only thing is I upgraded because I needed more options. I need to be able to have way more options than just the free, but you can always start with the free and you can just kind of get your feet wet and kind of start working with those videos in the options that they give you. If you want to get the tool, make sure you click on my link that's pinned up at the top so you'll get the link and I'll be getting the credit for it. Our tool gives us other stuff that people are searching for that we ain't thinking about. That's the benefit of using these tools. Y'all take your tool, go to studying this stuff, get you about 10 keywords together, and then start cranking these videos out and put that content on this internet and do your thing. And see how much of a difference do it make in your channel. See how much of a difference do it make in your channel. And then when you upgrade, when you finally do upgrade, and you can see all this other stuff that's back there, it ain't gonna do nothing. But everything just gonna take you. Every move you make is just gonna take you to the next level with it. And that's what we want to do. Since you want your content, if you ain't monetized yet, you want your content earning money before you even get monetized, so that once you get monetized, your content was already earning money. Only thing happened is it's gonna switch to you get your portion and YouTube get their portion. All you got to do is get your stuff to doing what it need to do. That's the best part about all of this. That's the best part about all this. You already starting to get it to do what it need to do, and then YouTube just getting it all right now. But once you get in position, it just slides over to you. Ain't that easy? Just keep on producing that content and getting it out there. If you have questions, you always know you can hit it in the comment section and type it in, and I'll get to it. You know, I get to them fast.